Hi, my name is Roland Spiegelharder and I'm the product manager for the TRUMPF 5000 and the TRUMPF 3000. This year I'm happy to show you our world premiere of our TRUMPF 5000 Green Edition, which is an excellent machine for pure copper materials, as well as our new features on the TRUMPF 5000 which we have this year. Number one, our preform options available for perfect hybrid manufacturing to save money, as well as our 500C capabilities for challenging titanium materials. And now I would like to go over to our parts and show you here some details. Here we can see two application parts showing the benefits of our 500-degree preheating. With very challenging titanium parts, we can avoid cracks and dimensional accuracy problems. Also, where we see big benefits is for hybrid manufacturing, utilizing our preform technology to be able to do hybrid manufacturing parts with a very high accuracy.